Hello there and welcome to Yoga Poses, the foundations of Yoga Asana with Yoga with Andrea today. And in this tutorial we're going to be practicing a variation of crow called twisting crow. So this one is one to avoid if you suffer from knee, ankle or toe pain, but benefits include removing digestive issues, improving circulation to the legs. It is a squatting pose, so we begin in a squatting position. The feet are apart and the buttocks rest above the heels. Place the palms on the knees. As you're ready, begin to lower the left knee towards the floor or the mat, tucking the left toes beneath you, keeping a right knee bend with the right foot flat on the floor. As you're ready, from here, twisting from the belly, supporting that right knee with the right palm of the hand, looking gently over the right shoulder as you keep the shoulders drawn away from the ears. Hold here for up to 10 breaths and then gently return to the squatting position to practice on the other side. Thank you for practicing twisting crow with me today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye for now. Namaste.